Greetings from Columbus, Ohio. Derek DeBrosse, attorney Derek DeBrosse with Munitions Law Group. Munitionsgroup.com. Give us a call for any need you might have regarding the firearms industry and or just personal carry issues, anything like that we handle. Getting to the questions today, we have a very simple question from Mr. Weil, and he asks, if you're open carrying on your own property while doing yard work, can someone call the cops on you? Yes. Just to put it bluntly, people can call cops on you for anything, as happens every day in our society. Can the cops arrest you as a very longer answer, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It's a more in-depth analysis. But generally, no, I would say, at least in the state of Ohio. Depending on what state you're in, maybe they can. But in Ohio, it's very clear that open carrying is a constitutionally protected right, both under the state and federal law in our Constitution, enshrined in our Constitution, if you will, in a lot of ways. That came about through an analysis of the Klein versus Lease case, which established that you cannot, the Constitution does not protect concealed carry. Therefore, the only inverse of us being able to exercise our constitutional right to keep and bear arms in Ohio is to do so openly. So it's very clear and well settled in Ohio that open carry is a legal activity. Moreover, it's on your own property, so you get into the issue of the police having an exception to the warrant requirement to even come on your property. There is a case, and for the life of me, I can't remember the name out of it. It's from Toledo, and it was an appellate case, I believe, and it held that the gentleman who was at the core of the case and was arrested for open carrying up in Toledo, that was an infringement of his rights, obviously. What I'm trying to say is that simply because you're open carrying a firearm in the state of Ohio, that does not give rise to reasonable suspicion that crime is afoot, thereby allowing a law enforcement officer to stop you and investigate. Now, they can come up to you and ask you questions and have a discussion with you, but they can't legally effectuate a stop, let alone probable cause for an arrest. There's got to be more. There's got to be some sort of overaction. You've got to be pacing in front of a bank or threatening people with the gun or waving it around and scaring people. But if you're just simply outside doing yard work with your gun on you, I don't see in any instance in the state of Ohio and under case law where a law enforcement officer could arrest and or detain you. Now, obviously, this is just a informal opinion, not legal or anything like that. So it really depends on all the facts as they come down, and any little fact can change that analysis. But I hope that answers your question, Mr. Weil. Any other comments, questions, or concerns? Let's keep the conversation going. Just drop a comment in the comment box below and or send us an email or give us a phone call. As always, be safe out there and remember to carry on.